Hello everyone. In this video, it will be shown how to open a Vanguard IRA. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. To get started, visit the Vanguard website and sign in to your existing account. If a Vanguard account has not yet been created, select the option to create a new account and follow the registration process. Once signed in, navigate to the section for opening a new account and choose an IRA. Vanguard offers several IRA options, including a traditional IRA, Roth IRA, and rollover IRA. Select the type of IRA that best fits your financial situation and retirement goals. Next, provide the required personal information. This typically includes your name, address, date of birth, social security number, employment information, and contact details. Make sure all information is entered accurately before proceeding. After completing the personal information section, review and accept the account agreements and disclosures provided by Vanguard. These documents explain the terms and conditions associated with the IRA account. The next step is funding the IRA. Vanguard will provide several funding options, such as transferring money from a bank account, rolling over funds from another retirement account, or transferring an existing IRA from another financial institution. Choose the funding method that works best for you and follow the instructions provided. Once the funding information has been submitted, review all of the details carefully. Confirm that the IRA type, personal information, and funding instructions are correct. If any changes are needed, they can be made before submitting the application. After the application has been submitted, Vanguard will process the request and open the IRA. In many cases, the account is available shortly after approval, though some applications may require additional verification. Once the IRA has been opened and funded, the money will typically be placed in the account settlement fund. At this stage, the account is active, but the funds may not yet be invested. Review Vanguard's available investment options and select the mutual funds, ETFs, or other investments that align with your retirement objectives. After the investments have been selected and the transactions have been completed, the setup process is finished. The Vanguard IRA is now open and ready to help support long-term retirement savings goals. And that's all there is to it. Also, these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. If you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, there's a detailed review that goes over everything you need to know. The video should be up on your screen right now, so just click it to start watching.